Ang buong ay nakakalaga sa pagib. Dahil po dito, mas nililig po ang ating. Mga muses, are you ready?
Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls nothing but sweatpants, looking like a princess. Some girls kiss new lips every single night. They're staying out late cause they just celebrating life.
15 West Laser!
You wanna change the body that you came in, cause you look greatest when you feel like a damn queen. We're all just playing a game in a way, trying to win my life.
Kenisha Pedro Owen Mesa, 18 years old, proud representing Team Zoe!
Fight to make every day, not too hard to say.
Kylie Garcia, representing Team Samantha. And now, let's see. This channel news from Team Palitan.
Lakad na ala beauty queen, aura ko'y will make you scream. Ganda kong nagniningning, lalo kang mapapatingin. Di ko na
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christina Montaño, representing Talikan from Goku!
ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mariana Lucia Pedro Garcia, and I am 13 years old, representing Team Wasala.
Thank you so much, Team Wasala. Si Jenna, naglayo tayo ng kabilang barangay. Team Sebo Benitato.
My name is Amy Busy Campolano, taking us out representing Sebo Vegas! Hi, my name is Nicole J. Avila, representative Hoover.
Thank you so much, babe. Pwede naman tayo sa barangay ni Metro, ladies and gentlemen. Team Round Victim.
What's up, My name is Gingy Nicole C. Rueda, representing Women!
Thank you so much for being here. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from our very own Team Alapod.
Pleasant afternoon, everyone. Danica Marquez, 19, representing Alapod.
Thank you so much, Team Alapod. Ito naman, ladies and gentlemen, Team Barangay Rosario.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Cassandra Soro, proud to represent the basketball team of Team Rosario.
in the south of Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. Oh, my pockets started tickling the way she.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Angel Dance, 16 years old, representing Exactly.
Popping like it, dropping that birthday cake. Gotta get no need to blow that crazy flame away. I take my red, black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire.
My name is Marilena Elias, 15 years old, representing RPJ Giant.
Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor.
Hi, my name is Yolanda Cruz, Team Upa. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Jana Ayesha Bakiran, 18 years old, representing Powerpuff Boys of Gold Fight.
Thank you so much for that boys.
Hello, my name is Erica Benuhar, representing si Georgia Pagmayu.
Thank you so much, Bob Mayu.